Don't worry, I'm a doctor.
We're losing her. Quick, my baby, please save her.
Don't panic, please. Everything will be all right.
Oh, dear. Please don't let her die. I'm begging you.
I'm a doctor. I will help her. Let me take a look.
Yeah, Doc, I feel so unwell right now.
So what do we have here? Huh? So it's all because of that. Look! These are her little babies. She's pregnant.
Oh!
Are you okay, miss? Congratulations, you have a puppy.
Oh, dear. This cannot be real, huh?
Hi, sweetie. Come on, come here, bud. You have 2 more puppies. Here you are.
Whoa, that's too much.
Oh, and there's another one. And another couple of twins.
No, thank you. I'd better go.
But, hey! My little one, you're so cute.
But my kids. So we're finally here. Stop sneaking around. Come here. I know you're afraid of doctors. I also don't like them. They are stealing my job.
What?
Oh, don't be so timid. Here, maybe this will help.
Wow, so much money. Thanks. So what is it that worries you so much? Come here, bud. How may I help you? Let me take a look. Oh, poor thing. I think it's very sick. See? Its reactions are really weak.
I know that, but can you help?
Let me think. Yeah, I know what will get it back on its 5. Aren't they amazing? Let me put some here and there. Perfect.
This is creepy.
Oh, don't worry. The last one and it will be just like new. Here you are, fella. So how's it going? Yeah, it's alive! You're welcome, dear.
Thanks, Doc. Thing, dear. You're all right now? Now, give me 5. Thanks again. Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Oh, you're such a sweet puss. Huh? What's that smell? Ew. This is really disgusting. Where's it coming from?
Hi there. Holy garlic. It stinks so much. Doc, please help. This becomes really unbearable. This little furry vampy has eaten something and now...
I can see that. It's horrible. Oops. Sorry for that. Don't worry, princess. Just let me get extra protection here. Whew, much better. So what happened to her?
That was horrible. I tried to stop her, but she didn't listen to me. Everything started when I was peacefully sleeping in my apartment, when this little poor thing started to sneak around and found garlic.
Huh? It looks yummy. Yeah!
I woke up because of the smell. It was everywhere. When I checked her room, she already finished all the garlic.
No, she's going to do it again! I'm really sorry. I can't help it. All right, let's figure out how to help her.
Don't worry, dear.
I think I know one remedy. Let's try it. So open up. Yuck, it's bitter. I know, but it should help. Oh dear. All right, let's give it another try. This time, it will be delicious. You're going to like it. Smells good.
Smells awful. Please, I don't want to die like that.
Fine, then we need some drastic measures here.
Are you serious?
Hell yeah. Well, it was quite spectacular.
Princess, dear.
It was really fun. Could you do it again? Oh, fine.
Thanks, Doc. Thank you.
Oh my, so embarrassing. Bye. And please, stay away from garlic. Phew.
So I just need a few drops of it.
Doc, please help.
Huh? What?
She has a fever. Please help.
Come on, let me take a look. Here you are, my darling. Ouch! She's really burning. It hurts. Well, let me check it up. Where was my thermometer?
No, Mommy, please don't let him...
Buckle up.
Is it really safe?
Don't worry, she'll be fine. Now let me take it out. Oh, she really has a terrible fever. Hopefully, it can be fixed in no time.
Maybe you shouldn't? Mommy, please! Oh, just you wait. I won't let you do that. Bad doctor, bad!
Ouch, ouch. Don't, please, don't.
Oh no, sweetheart, please don't hurt our poor doctor. He just wanted to help.
All right, I have one more option. See? It's much safer.
Bring me back! Okay.
Good girl. Look, isn't it what you like?
Give me that. It smells so great. I could play with it the whole day. Oh, she's such a cute kid. It's so relaxing.
Nice. Now here comes medicine.
Huh?
You will feel a little prick. It won't hurt much.
Hey, I still don't like it. Please, be gentle.
It's all done. Good kitty. You'll feel much better very, very soon.
Thank you, Doc.
Get well soon. I love this one myself. This is really amazing. Meow.
Knock, knock.
So who is it? Please, come in.
May I?
Yes, sure. What is it?
It's my poor baby. I think she's sick. See, it aches so much.
Come on, bring it here. Let me take a look. Let me check it out. I think I know what it is.
So how is she? She's going to be okay?
Just a second. Don't worry, it won't hurt. Yeah, just what I thought.
What is it? Can you help her?
Sure. It won't even take so much time. I can do it all here.
Wow! Please, hurt her.
Relax. We just need to get rid of all this mess. Ooh, there's so much of it. See, now she will be okay.
I told you not to play with it.
Take care, kiddo. Ew, now it's so messy here. Well done.
Quick, I need to reach him out.
Huh? What happened there? Hello?
Please help, my pup is missing. I don't know what to do.
I'm on my way. Don't worry. This is a job for real heroes. Don't be afraid, little one. I will come and save you. Oh, I already see her. Here you are, kiddo. You were hiding here all this time?
Hey, I didn't finish it yet.
It's time to go back to your mommy. She really misses you. I found her.
Oh, thank you, my sweetheart. Thank goodness you're all right. I will never ever leave you.
Oh, of course. Dog, where is your Melody Gold Precious? Maybe phone number? Fabulous rich luxury jewel? Really? No phone number? So, yay! I got a dog! I got a dog! I got a dog! Welcome home. But how I'm going to sneak you in?
No dog in my house!
That won't work. I know. Toilet! Good dog.
Honey, is everything all right?
Yeah, some bad tacos.
Okay, honey.
Oh no, you pooped! That's Mom's favorite carpet! Ew! Wow! You one strange rich dog! I'm gonna call you a diamond! Hey! Mom, shampoo? Oh no! Mommy, hurry up! Oh no! Oh no, 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 no! Hi, Mom. Oops. Where will you sleep? I made you a bed. Oh. Oh, so cute. Blah, whatever. Ouch. What time? Oh, not in a stroller. I know what to do. Here you go. Okay. All right. Fancy. Time to eat. Yum yum. I guess you're too good for this. Try sausages. have anything else. Huh? That's... Finally. Time to clean.
Oh, dinner time! Ah.
No!
Delicious!
Playtime! Fetch! Ha! Let's try a new toy! Ruff, ruff.
Level complete.
Wow! You have completed the hardest level! Good job!
Bark at your dog.
Wow! We'll be popular! What? In live stream? Oh. Wow! You're already a TikTok star! It's time to train! Give me a paw! Sit! Lay down and breathe! Good dog! Repeat after me! Sit! Pow! Good dog! Lay down! Hey, look at me!
Look at what?
Oh, stretching?
I might need some exercise too.
Diamond! Hi, Dad! You need to diet.
You are right, honey. You are right.
We need to do something about that hair of yours. Huh?
Oh, you're brushing a dog. A dog?
Oh, hi, Dad. Just playing.
I need to quit eating sugar.
We need to go to the groomers. Take good care of her.
Sure.
Thank you. New hairstyle, please.
New style.
Huh? Okay.
Uh-huh. 50, please.
Keep the change. Hi, baby.
Here's your bill.
What? I don't have the money.
Oh, we can fix that.
Thanks I do for you, Diamond. Mom? What? Dad? Dad?
What?
Who's in there? Huh? Wow! Huh? Wow!
Oh, God, help me!
Diamond!
Do you hear anything?
No, I don't hear anything.
Never mind. Dog cookies? Uh-huh.
Oof. Oh, gotcha!
Look! Molly?
Huh? Huh?
Uh-huh!
Gotcha! Don't you knock? Sorry, honey.
I want a cookie.
Switch to... Each to his own. Good morning, Diamond. Ooh, Diamond, where are you? Diamond? 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 Diamond?
Oh, the dog.
Diamond? I can explain.
Return him.
Okay.
Come with me.
Wow. Oh. Oh. Huh? Oh. Melody Gold Precious Fabulous Rich Luxury Jewel. You have a really nice house. It's my dog's house. Huh. Dog's house? I love surprises. Yay.
This is a great joke.
Go, go, go.
Give me a finger, honey. Now careful, put it on. Do not
What is
spy,
that?
hon. Now look at your surprise.
Fluffy tail, brown finger. Wait, what? You got me a dog. Oh, it's so fluffy.
Well, she didn't taste it. You have to treat it well to keep it.
Yeah, I already have a gadget to take care of you. Mwah.
Well, Grace, I am high maintenance.
Ew. Your paws are dirty. I need to clean them. This will help to carry you so I can wash your paws. Don't worry, I'll carry you. Bath cap.
Oh, come on. I look ridiculous. I'm an artist.
Let's clean that dirty paws.
I don't see it for me, thank you.
Oh no, you are too big to the sink. Oh, I think it's better with a gadget. I found it. Easy paws cleaner. It's like a washing machine, but for paws. I just need to put some water inside of it and put the little dirty paw inside to wash it.
Huh? What are those evil things? My sweet little paws! Oh, it doesn't hurt. In fact, it's quite relaxing.
Wow, it's clean and it was easy. Let's go for the others. I wonder how dirty it was. It was so dirty. That's why it says to change the water every time, huh? So easy. Shall we go? Rocky? Where?
I'm here. It is exhausting to be an artist.
No, I need a gadget to clean the couch. Last line. They look amazing. So precise. Yep, such a good nail gadget. Oh, I got an idea. Nail dog art.
Oh, come on, human. I was dreaming of a T-bone.
Your turn.
Now what? Nope. Nope. My artistic paws. Nope.
How can I keep you distracted? For sure, I have a gadget for that. Yeah, this carpet would help. I heard it's good for stimulating senses. Just covered with some tasty treat or cream for licking.
Whipped cream. Yummy. I prefer peanut butter and...
If he's distracted in my head, I can paint these little nails. I need something to hold. Maybe this hat could help. Yeah. Okay, Rocky, here is your treat. Start licking.
Too good to be true. For sure it's a trap.
Time to decorate.
Delicious. You better do a great job on those nails.
Oh, you will look so fancy.
Hey, one last lick.
Look, we both have our nails done.
Okay. What the? My hat! Smells good. Whipped cream. Yummy.
I think I should have a pet daycare. I'm so good at it. What? Ew, dog fur. How did it get here? Oh no, it's everywhere. Ew, Rocky, you need a good brushing.
Me? Have you seen your hair?
This is for cats, but fur is fur, so let's try it. Do not move, Rocky. Ew! It's not working. Fur is everywhere. Let's try this gadget. It looks less messy.
Oh, yeah. That's more like it. The brush is so much better than
It
tongue.
was a lot of fur, but this gadget knows best. Better than trash it, recycle it. Look, here's
What?
your fur hat.
Recycling fur? Ah, humans.
I got mine too. Matching hat.
Darling, is that a fur hat?
Time for some spa. Look at your new bathrobe.
Nice. I do like spa.
Isn't that awesome? It's like a human's.
Do I look relaxed? Where's the bubble top?
Look, my roll-in massager. So relaxing. Yeah, I feel my face relax. And now it's your turn, Rocky.
Huh? Pause massage? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm in heaven. Oh, it feels so good. Oh.
Oh, you look so relaxed. I also want a massage. Your turn.
Okay, I'm the best at it.
Nice. Now to the right, please.
Just relax. If you hear a crack, then it's working.
What is she? Oh, look at them. So cute.
I feel so bored.
Rocky, let's go for a walk. But first you need a cool outfit.
Great. New outfit and walk. Best day ever. Do you think this color matches my eyes?
Yay! Match outfits for a walk. Now let's try your new shoes. These cool shoes keep your paws clean and safe. Put it inside and easily fasten it for your tiny paws.
New shoes.
And now my matching shoes.
Aw, aren't we cute?
Ready? Let's go! Rocky, I have some treats for you. Rocky?
Hey, Grace, look what I found inside this bag.
Oh no! My favorite pillow!
Whoops.
Oh, don't worry, I'll fix that. But I have a surprise for you. This pillow is to stimulate your senses. I'll hide some treats under the carrots and you have to dig
Easy
them
peasy,
out.
Grace. I love to dig. Where are you, my treats? Aha! Found them! So yummy! Stupid carrots, I won!
Yay! I'll fix it. Look, Rocky. Rocky.
Hey, I got bored with those fake carrots.
Oh, no, Rocky.
Spicy water.
No. That's not for drinking. I'll get you a better one. I'll look for a special drink gadget for you. Nope. Buy it.
Delivery.
Oh, that was fast.
Sign here, please.
Done, thanks. Oh, look, Rocky. Let's open it. And it's blue. I love the blue color. Let's try it. This thing goes here. Yep. So I fill it with water. Oh, Rocky, you are going to love it. How much water does it hold? Turn it on. And it's working. Wow, drinking fountain for the best dog.
Too fancy, girl. Nope.
What? Come here, Rocky. Oh, Rocky.
This is not fancy, but it tastes good.
Not again. Hey, Rocky, want to play?
That game again? Hell no.
Okay. What about this? You love this ball.
Boring. I'd better sleep.
Okay. Let's try a better you game. This is tic-tac-toe. Rocky, you have to make 3 in one line. Easy peasy. You got the axes, I got the circles.
Yummy.
Go, choose your trick.
I will start here. Okay, put my axe.
Oh, aggressive. I want this.
You're playing with fire. Here.
I think here will be fine.
You let me win. I should have known. What a funny human.
Oh, you won! This medal is for you, champ.
Let's admit it. It was funny and I'm a champ. Yay!
Hun, you were so good with the dog. So, we brought you a rabbit. Yay!
Oh, yay! I always wanted a rabbit. Thank you both. I'll take care of it. Yay! Oh, I'll call you Bunny. You're so fluffy.
No, where am I? I'm not Bunny. My name is Letitia. Help!
I have a perfect playground for you. I knew. Someday I'll use this. A circuit of tunnels for Bunny. It expands itself. And I connect them and make a huge one. And I can make my own maze with more toys. She'll love it. Playtime, Bunny.
What is this? Great, huge maze. Breathe. What?
Hi,
That girl. It's Letitia. Who told them colors are relaxing?
Oh, so
Is she
cute.
everywhere? Think, Letitia. Find the way out. Ooh, fresh air. Now go. I think I already saw this ball.
Over here, Bunny. Oh, you're so smart. Yay!
Aw, stress makes me poop. Sorry.
Hi, Bunny. What are these little balls? Rocky's food? This is not food. Oh, Rocky, no!
Did you change my food? It is, different.
No, Rocky, you cannot eat that. I need to clean that. Luckily, I have this clean gadget. Wait here, Rocky. Ew. I'm not touching it with my hands. Oh, let's use my feet, left and now right. Mop shoes. They look cool. Great. Dancing time. Dance all over the floor to clean that. Yay! These shoes make it so easy. Yay! Whoa, what? No! Ow! Ew. It hurts and smells so bad. Not funny. Oh, you little pretty bunny. So cute.
Aw, you're so sweet and smell so good. You can call me Bunny.
Oh, my Rocky.
Oh, you used to love me and hug me like that. Oh.
Come here, Rocky.
Me? Really? Oh, I missed you.
I have enough love for you, too.
Oh boy, that always feels so good. I love you.
I love you both.
Give me a box! Sure. Oh my god! Take it! Oh my god, please help! Someone please help! Oh my god, you're the best dog ever!
Oh my god, son, what happened?
Mom, this dog saved me. Can we adopt him?
Oh, sure.
Let me out. What do you want? We were just outside. But my bladder says otherwise. Let me bring you some toys. I can't hold it any longer. I'm back. The consequences. What am I gonna do?
I'm off to the beach.
Now let's go get some candy. Come on, boy.
Floor's clean. System shutting down.
We have to get out of here. I'll show you. Wait, what are you doing there? Steak. And I brought for you special robe and shampoos. He has to be joking. Come on, boy, take them. Man, can't I have a shower alone? Why wouldn't you wash? You want me to join you? Come on, Mom said to wash.
Do you need some? I'll do it.
She knows her stuff. Oh.
I want some of that too.
Yikes, I don't look that stupid.
Enjoy your meal.
What's wrong, boy?
Are you afraid of a little cat plate? Meow, meow.
Guys, come on, sit next to me.
Being carried to places. This feels fancy.
And so, Blake, this is your room. Go.
Oh, that's comfy. I could fall asleep here in a minute.
Aw, I need to sleep. Blake! What happened here?
What happened? Oh no, these dreams are getting out of control. It's time for some rest.
Blake! Poor thing, I can't leave you like this. Let me fix it. Perfect.
This woman thinks of everything. Oof, I drank too much water today. Oh, this feels good. Okay, back to sleep now.
Blake, it's time to freshen up.
I don't need this man. I'm not a human. I have dog rights, okay? You can't just bring me here and... What's this?
What's up, boy?
I wanna live, and I need to poop.
Oh, you wanna go have a haircut? Oh, yes, you do.
You don't understand anything, do you? Where are you?
Don't worry, I'm here.
Hello, beautiful.
Who are you? Be careful with that.
Amazing. $5, please.
Well, you deserve it.
I was asking myself where I'm going, wasn't sure if I could find my way. See me wearing a crown, watch me going, look at me now, I made my day. I deserve the applause, yeah girl, just because I'm the king of the world, it took me so long, yeah I found the key. I'm the cool guy you heard, I want you to belong. Only to me, I show what I can be.
Good morning, Blake. Oh. Wow, I've never wake up this early. Come on, Blake, let's go.
Wakey, wakey, wake. Where are they?
I need to find them. Miss, your son is gone. Don't worry, Blake woke him up.
Good morning.
Okay then, I'll go make breakfast.
No need.
What?
Don't bother, Blake made breakfast.
Oh, isn't that nice? This is my job. You can do it better than me. I know your weakness. This is not what I meant. This is what I mean. This should do it.
Is that a thread? So many threads.
So you're the favorite, huh? Oops.
You crazy, ma'am? Why would you?
What happened here?
Blake, what did you do?
Blake?
Not me, it was her.
Let's see who's lying. Oh no! You're fired!
I'm not paying for that!
Do you like this?
Or maybe these?
Oh, guys, I'm so tired of this.
He was gone away for too long.
Pick this up!
Someone's calling me.
Where did he go? Blake, no!
Oh, here you are.
What are you doing with him?
You found my dog.
Yeah, it was me. I found him.
Not now, Leo. Ask her out.
Oh, yeah. You wanna go for a walk?
Yeah.
Did they just leave me here? Guys, wait!
Oh, the stocks for Lala sausages have dropped in price. Blake! Oh, there you are. Tomorrow we will go to school. But we need a good disguise. This won't work. No. I have to help him again. How can I do this? Oh, Blake, it's a good idea. We're going to school. I've always wanted to go and see school.
No dogs allowed.
Aw.
Halt!
Huh?
Aha! No snacks at school. Go inside.
I'm not giving you my chips.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Principal.
Any dogs today, Gary?
No, sir.
Good. There will be no dogs in my school.
Sorry. You need some air. I smell something delicious. Blake, no! Gotcha!
Allergies. Did anyone bring a dog? What's in your bag?
It might be cold in the evening.
Get it away from me!
Yes, ma'am!
Huh? Did someone bring a dog? Aha!
Who's there again? Aha!
Whoops.
That's right. Mind your own business. Hey. Huh?
Oh, sorry. An allergy. Where are my glasses?
Hey.
Okay, anyway. What is the log base 2 of 4? Huh? Correct.
Of course.
Hello, class. Tell me, did someone bring a dog?
Oh, I'm really hungry.
Sooner or later, I'll find the dog. All dogs love treats. Huh?
What's that? What is it?
Huh?
Go, go, go! There, go inside, go, go!
Bingo! Oh, there's no one there.
It is important not to bark now. I couldn't hold it in.
Gotcha!
Blakey!
Huh? Look who I found here. The dog goes home, and you. Detention.
Look at this.
Is it your first time here?
No.
Wow. And I brought my dog once.
You have a dog? I love pets. Look. Who's a good boy?
I have to get out of here.
You know what you have to do to make your dream come true. For the shining star, it will lead you to the top. Reach the top. Keep dreaming. Reach the top. Keep dreaming.
There's no way out of here. Oh, it's over salted again. I'll put in less next time. Oh, Zach needs my help. Oh, I can't look at him. He's so sad. I need to get the key.
One, two, 3 cookies, 4 cookies, so many cookies. Oh my goodness.
That was easier than I thought. Why do they even hire these people? Oh, Blakey! You're my savior! We must hurry, Luna's waiting!
Hey, you're 3 minutes late!
Sorry, I had an accident.
Oh no, get it away from me!
I thought you loved dogs.
No, I love cats! This dog even ruined my shoes! This date is ruined!
No, stop! Luna! Blakey! Blake! Huh?
Oh, so cute. Is it your dog? I have a dog too.
Oh, so cute! Sorry, what's your name? He always falls for cat lovers. I'm even helping him in his love life. Stand back, you stupid monsters!
Zach, we're trapped!
Don't worry, baby.
You're my savior!
My dream girl. Sorry, but dogs are not allowed in school. Hi, Luna.
Look how cute they are!
So cute.
So cute! So
Oh,
cute!
this one's so fluffy. Oh.
This one! Oh.
I can't see. Whoa! What? Whoa, she loves dogs! Blake! Oh, the stocks for Lila sausages have dropped in price. Blake! Blake! Oh, there you are. Tomorrow we will go to school. But we need a good disguise. This won't work. No. I have to help him again. How can I do this? Oh, Blake, it's a good idea. We're going to school. I've always wanted to go and see school.
No dogs allowed.
Aw.
Halt. Aha! No snacks at school. Go inside.
I'm not giving you my chips.
Oh, good morning, Mr. Principal.
Any dogs today, Gary?
No, sir.
Good. There will be no dogs in my school.
sorry. You need some air. I smell something delicious. Blake, no! Gotcha!
Allergies. Did anyone bring a dog? What's in your bag?
It might be cold in the evening.
Get it away from me!
Yes, ma'am! Blake!
I got you. Here, hold still.
I'm fine.
Okay, fine then.
She can't see me like this. At least she didn't see me like this. Huh?
Hey!
You have a dog?
Yes.
Can we pedal?
Oh, they're like little kids. Clear. Hey. Ooh. Okay, Blake, let's go. Good boy. Oh no. Oh no. We need to hide you somewhere. Sit here and be quiet. He could have left me something to read.
Shouldn't have it in this sandwich.
You saved me.
Yeah. Maybe you wanna go out sometime?
Yeah. Meet me at the park at 5.
Don't be late.
Yes!
Why is the floor wet?
Huh? Did someone bring a dog? Aha!
Who's there again? Aha!
Whoops.
That's right, mind your own business. Hey! Huh?
Oh, sorry. An allergy. Where are my glasses?
Hey!
Okay, anyway. What is the log base 2 of 4? Huh? Correct.
Of course.
Hello, class. Tell me, did someone bring a dog?
Oh, I'm really hungry.
Sooner or later, I'll find the dog. All dogs love treats. Huh?
What's that? What is it?
Huh?
Go! There, go inside, go!
Bingo! Oh, there's no one there.
It is important not to bark now. I couldn't hold it in.
Gotcha!
Blakey, huh?
Look who I found here. The dog goes home, and you. Detention. Ha ha ha!
This.
Is it your first time here?
No.
Wow. And I brought my dog once.
You have a dog? I love pets. Look. Who's a good boy?
I have to get out of here. There's no way out of here. Oh, it's over salted again. I'll put in less next time. Oh, Zach needs my help. Oh, I can't look at him. He's so sad. I need to get the key.
One, two, three cookies, 4 cookies, so many cookies. Oh my goodness.
That was easier than I thought. Why do they even hire these people? Oh, Blakey! You're my savior! We must hurry, Luna's waiting!
Hey, you're 3 minutes late!
Sorry, I had an accident.
Oh no, get it away from me!
I thought you loved dogs.
No, I love cats! This dog even ruined my shoes! This date is ruined!
No, stop! Luna! Blakey! Blake! Huh?
Oh, so cute. Is it your dog? I have a dog too.
Oh, so cute! Sorry, what's your name? He always falls for cat lovers. I'm even helping him in his love life.
Whoa! I should wash you up. Let's see what you have here. Ooh. Sarah, are you ready?
Lily!
Dad, I'm washing my hair. 5 minutes, please. 5 minutes. I got it.
Lily! Huh?
Dad? Hi. Oops.
Huh?
You're quite heavy.
Shampoo for real man.
Oh, I'm so glad I met you. What's happening to you, Sarah? Okay, let's order some dog food. Oh, the courier will arrive tomorrow at 9 a.m. Good morning, Dad.
Where are my shoes?
I don't know. What are you doing? Stop. Give it to me.
Oh, thanks. Lily, where's my tie?
Thank you. Here's your tie. You leave your stuff everywhere.
Lily, where's my blazer?
This is
from stress here.
Huh?
Dog food delivery.
But we don't have a dog. Huh?
Only a stuffed one.
Excuse us.
Bye.
Dog food? Seriously? It's just a stuffed toy.
Wait! Ooh. I hope Dad isn't back yet. Hey, come here. Yes. Where should I hide it? Perfect. Oh, hey. You wanna go for a walk? Yeah, let's go. Seems like I should find a new house for Sarah.
These kind of Cheerios have a strange taste, but I like it.
What? Good morning, my sweet pumpkin. Huh?
Lily, wake up. Come on, Lily. Wake up, Lily. Wake up. Wake up. Good morning, Lily.
Good morning, Dad.
Stop! Aha!
Dad?
Huh?
What's wrong with you?
I need more sleep.
Sarah, where are you? Oh, there you are! Wait!
Aha! I knew it!
Oh no!
You've been lying to me all this time!
Sorry, Dad!
You can't lie to your parents!
That's not fair!
Come on, come on! Come on. Go! Come on! Get out of here! Go! Go! Huh? Wait! Dog! Come on! Wait! I lost her.
How could you lose her? I miss you.
Huh? You don't have a dog.
Yeah, I don't have a dog anymore.
What?
Oh, that was a long trip. Oh, hi there. Oh, you're so beautiful. You know, my daughter really wants a dog. Come with me. Come on. Oh, hi, Mr. Smith.
Huh? Dog? They don't have a dog. Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dad, she was happy with me.
Oh, pumpkin.
Oh, she's looking for a home. Let's have her live with us.
Dad, please.
Come on.
Of course, of course.
Thank you. Let's go for a walk. Let's go.
Ew, what? Oh, what? Huh? Honey?
What? It's very tasty.